When it comes to upgrading your home's heating and cooling system, the right thermostat can make a huge difference. This Vine Thermostat for Home with touchscreen color display, a Wi-Fi-enabled smart thermostat that offers the perfect blend of advanced technology, user-friendly features, and energy savings. With compatibility for a wide range of systems, including Alexa and Google Assistant support, this thermostat is designed to optimize your home's comfort while cutting down on energy expenses. If you're ready to experience next-level convenience and save on your heating and cooling bills, keep reading. We'll break down the features, benefits, and installation process of this innovative thermostat to help you make an informed decision. Overview of the thermostat for home. The Vine Smart Thermostat is designed to provide seamless control of your home's heating and cooling systems while delivering energy savings with its programmable features. With a 2.8-inch touchscreen and compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, it offers a modern solution for homeowners seeking comfort, convenience, and cost efficiency. This Wi-Fi thermostat is compatible with 90% of home heating and cooling systems, including conventional systems, heat pumps, gas fireplaces, and more. Whether you have a traditional gas furnace, electric heat, or even a dual-fuel system, this thermostat can handle it all. Key features. With its simple installation process, the Vine thermostat can be set up in 20 minutes or less. Step-by-step online guides and videos make installation straightforward, so you won't need to hire a professional installer. The process is user-friendly and designed to ensure you can quickly enjoy the benefits of this smart thermostat without any hassle. One of the standout features of the Vine thermostat is its Wi-Fi connectivity. Using the Vine Thermostat app or the Smart Life app, you can easily control and monitor your thermostat from anywhere. The thermostat is also compatible with Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to control your home's temperature with simple voice commands. Whether you're on the couch or away on vacation, controlling your home's climate has never been more convenient. The Vine thermostat allows you to set 7-day programmable schedules with up to 8 periods per day. This gives you the flexibility to tailor your home's heating and cooling schedule to match your daily routine, ensuring optimal comfort while also saving energy. The Auto Home Away mode ensures that your home is comfortable when you arrive and helps reduce HVAC usage when you're not at home. This mode automatically adjusts the temperature based on your location, saving you money and energy. As an Energy Star certified device, the Vine thermostat is designed with energy efficiency in mind. It helps you save on energy costs while maintaining a comfortable temperature throughout the day. By optimizing your home's heating and cooling, you can expect lower utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint. Plus, the thermostat offers real-time energy-saving tips to help you make further improvements. The Vine thermostat comes with several practical features, including temperature alerts to notify you if the temperature in your home goes out of your desired range, filter change reminders to help you maintain your HVAC system and improve air quality, automatic synchronization of time and date so you never have to adjust it manually, child lock functionality, which prevents accidental adjustments by little hands. These added functions ensure that the Vine thermostat isn't just about temperature control. It's about creating a convenient, stress-free environment for your entire family. Why choose the Vine Smart Thermostat? This Vine Thermostat for Home is an excellent choice for anyone looking to optimize their home's heating and cooling system with a smart, energy-efficient solution. With its easy installation, voice control options, and compatibility with a wide range of systems, it offers the ultimate convenience and comfort. Its 7-day programmable schedules and Auto Home Away mode allow you to enjoy consistent comfort while reducing energy costs, making it an ideal choice for homeowners who want to live more sustainably without compromising on convenience. Benefits of the Vine Smart Thermostat: seamless control. Adjust temperature via Wi-Fi or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant from anywhere. Energy efficiency. 7-day programmable schedules and Auto Home Away mode help reduce energy consumption and lower bills. User-friendly design. Intuitive 2.8-inch touchscreen for easy adjustments and quick installation. Smart features. Receive alerts for filter changes and temperature fluctuations to maintain system efficiency. Wide compatibility works with various heating and cooling systems, including heat pumps and gas furnaces. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.